Yo!
Yo, what's good? It's your boy, YothatsEJ. And I'm back with another banger. Listen, bro.
I ain't gonna lie.
This
This dude right here made me start,
is
hold on, that pause was low-key crazy. He made it look like he had horns. But look, this dude made me want to start live streaming on TikTok, bro. I started at DM Mickey. You feel me? He went crazy, got rich. Everybody see his gaming setup.
the new OTM
Respect to the grind,
gaming
man.
stream room, bro.
Doing what you love,
this is
too.
where everything happens at,
Damn, these pictures low-key tough, bro. I need like a little animated person, bro.
bro. I'm gonna let y'all know what I use to stream and
He got like 6, 7 monitors, bro. How many monitors you need?
what you can start with. So this ain't gonna be like a
I ain't hating it, but
video,
damn.
but I'm gonna just go through the things that I stream with it, what my everyday streaming equipment is, bro, and what I'll be using going into NBA 2K26, man. Alright, so y'all boys come on in. Now, when you walk in my stream room, bro, you see the essentials, like the little toys
That's fire.
that I got, man.
That's fire.
I
Ooh, we got the
Chucky
Kanye.
with
That's
the Jason
tough.
mask on. I got my Twitch pillow. I got some cause figures and stuff like that. I got a Supreme little, I'm gonna hang this up because I'm gonna get these walls done. I'm gonna get all the walls done up in here. You know what I'm saying, with my name on it and stuff. So
Oh, that'd
I'm
be
not done with
tough.
it yet, but you do got my bear bricks. You know what I'm saying? We got the bear bricks right here. We got Marvin the Martian. We got the bait with the clear ears. We got Sleepy, the Sleepy Astro Boy, and we got the Mona Lisa. This is my YouTube plat, of course. 100,000.
That's
We gonna
tough.
get that million though. Alright?
That's tough.
We gonna get that
Gold.
million. That gold.
million.
Alright, we're gonna get
Yeah.
that gold plaque. Alright, coming
Yeah.
soon. Now, if you step over here,
Where he at right now? 197K? Okay. He can get that 2K26 though. 2K26, he probably blowing up
you
with it.
have the streaming PC. Now, my streaming PC, I got this off of OfferUp, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I got this off of OfferUp for like $900.
Take notes,
It got
take
a
notes.
3080 inside of it. It got a i9 13900K. It got like 4 sticks of RAM. It got a 360 cooler in there. Got about 7 fans. I couldn't pass up on it, bro. So
Yeah, that's
I
fire.
use this PC only for streaming. Only for
I never thought about OfferUp, bro. I wanted a new, I wanted a gaming PC, right? I never thought about OfferUp, bro. That's facts, because they probably already pre-built. People probably install other stuff into it. You just got to make sure it really works, bro.
streaming. I don't game off of this PC. This is strictly for streaming on multiple platforms. All right. Now, when you come over here, you see I got the monitors. I got 4 monitors right here. So these 4 right here is for me to read chat, YouTube, and OBS Studios to make sure I'm not dropping any frames. A lot of y'all be clowning me because I got so many monitors, but I got all these monitors because they do different things, bro. Next is my gaming chair. This is the NDC. The NDC, I got this gaming chair for free. So
That bitch look comfortable. That look like the most comfortable gaming chair I ever seen in my life.
this was for free. They sent me this. I mean, this is like the best chair I ever used. I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not even sponsored by them no more. But I mean, just look at the cushion on this chair, bro. It's like it's heavy duty, bro, and it's soft. I got the soft, you know what I'm saying, pillow and everything. So yeah, bro, the NDC. This chair is like around like $400 and something. The monitors, each monitor is about like $200 and something. You know, 200 and something, maybe 3. It's been a little minute since I bought them, but when I bought them, it was like 200, 300 around there. Next is my Go XLR.
Yeah, what's that?
This is where I got all my.
What is that?
I can control all my volumes for my voice. I can turn down Discord if I want to. I can hit a sound effect. I can record a sound effect and hit it on stream. That's my Gold XR, man. I've been having that for a minute. That was right there. You can get it on Amazon for like $400 now. You know what I'm saying? So it's when I got it was like $500-$600, but now it's like $300-$400. I got my headset.
Okay.
Now you need a good pair of headsets, bro. All right, no matter what game you playing, from
Right.
Call of Duty,
Right.
any sports games, bro, you need a great headset. This is what makes a good gaming setup, bro. MMX Biodynamic 330.
MMX 330 Pros. Yeah, I need some new ones, bro. Cause my gaming set, bro. Look at this, bro. My shit is peeling off, bro. I had these for so long, bro. These Turtle Beaches, bro. This was from the Call of Duty Black Ops 2 days, bro. You know what I mean? They lasted a minute though. They still work, but I need some new ones.
Pros, bro. These right here run around $300 and something. I mean, bro, these are very comfortable. They got some cushion to them. And it's noise cancellation too. When you put them on, you can't hear nothing else around you, bro. We got the Persona channel strip mic pre. It brings out the quality in my microphone. All right, it brings out like the more crisp. It has compressor. It's a tube mic pre where you can turn the knob on the tube to bring out the clarity of the mic, bro. So say if you got like a $100 mic, it'll make that $100 mic sounds like a full $100 mic. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
So that's the reason why I got this
Damn.
mic pre, man. Of course, I got my Astro 840.
Hey, his gaming setup definitely high tech, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's definitely high tech.
You know what I'm saying? I got my Astro 840s. This is what I use for my Xbox. You know what I'm saying? For game chat. You know, when I'm playing, 2K, NCAA, any console games, I got my Astro 840s. I do got my Xbox Series X. This is my baby. I done had that Xbox for since it came out, bro. We got the Rode Strix 2560 by 1440, 0.03 ms, 240 hertz glossy monitor. This one runs around $800 and something. So, I mean, bro, this monitor is so good, bro. Like, you can...
Bro, what the fuck was EJ job before this, bro? He know all about tech, bro. Unless he just learned it over time. But bro is talking straight, I don't want to say nerd facts, but like, bro, technical, bro. Like, he was computer engineer type shit or something, bro.
Everything really good. Any game you playing, it's quality, bro. All right, it's quality, bro. A gaming monitor always have to be better than the other monitors. Like, this is the one you game on, so you gotta have it. All right, this monitor right here is for Discord. That's another Asus monitor. Costs about $300 something bucks. Every monitor is a 27 inch. I like to get all my monitors the same size. I don't like to have a 24 inch and a 27 inch or a 32 inch and a 20. I like all my monitors to be the same size. We got two keyboards. One is lighter than the other one. This is a heavy one right here. This one right here is like $400. This one right here is $400 because it's so heavy, bro. It's so heavy. And this one right here, you can actually customize yourself. That's the reason why it costs so much. This one right here is around like 80 bucks. You know what I'm saying? But this is for my streaming PC, and this keyboard is for my gaming PC. So I have two keyboards. All right. As you can see, I got the two lights. I got the two content creator lights. These are called content creator lights for streamers, for photographers. You always need some type of lighting in your stream room to bring out the quality of your camera, bro. Whatever camera you're using, you gotta make sure you get some good lights. All right. So these right here are the Westcott U60B. You can get them for like $150 a piece without the stand though. That's without the stand. So with the stand it'll be like $450 or something like that. We got the microphone. This is Electro Voice RE20. Electro Voice RE20. This mic runs around $500 and some bucks. Also, I have the Stream Deck.
Well, it's set up about good. It's like a good $5. Man, it's about a $10,000 setup, man. No cap.
This is the Stream Deck right here. I can go full screen. I can go gameplay. I can, hit sound effects on here too. So this is a good, this around $200 something or something like that. We're gonna go to the gaming PC. The gaming PC has so much.
What was the other PC? He said I was a streaming PC. Bro, what the fuck is this?
In it, bro. I mean, bro, we
this
talking about
fire,
12 fans, Corsair fans. We talking about 2 RAM sticks, 8,000 overclock RAM sticks. All right, so we got the new Ryzen chip. We got what mother? I forgot the motherboard, but the motherboard is like an $800 motherboard. Dang, Road Maximum is something. I forgot it. Extreme. Rogue Max Extreme. It's Extreme, so it costs around $800 and some dollars. I got the 4090 inside of it. So
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know none of these techs he talking about, y'all.
Bro,
y'all can explain it in the comments, bro.
Costs around like $4,500, maybe a little bit more than that. Now, when you're starting off, you don't need a gaming PC that costs that much. You can actually go with, a 3070, a 3060, and you can stream in game from that PC at normal settings, you know what I'm saying? But when you do have 2 PCs, you can up the settings because now you're playing and streaming from 2 different PCs, which is the benefit of having 2 gaming and streaming PCs, bro. It is a harder setup to calibrate because you gotta hook all the monitors where they go, but I've been doing it for a long time, so I know all the cords go and everything.
I ain't gonna lie, this nigga might have the most difficult, high-tech setup there is, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Even Fortnite players don't got this setup, bro. But, hey, it pay off, though.
My cords is a mess, bro. I know y'all looking at the video.
Hey, matter of fact, wait, hold on, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Look. I ain't saying nothing wrong with it, but, bro, come on, bro. How they redo the Jesus table supper? Like, the supper, the Last Supper. Like, you can't recreate this, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that ain't right. Is that Jordan in the middle? Yeah, bro, that ain't right. I ain't gonna lie.
My cords is a mess, bro. I know y'all looking at the video like, EJ, your cord management, bro. I don't care about the cords. Y'all not gonna see it on stream, bro. So I don't be caring, bro. Okay, but chat. Last but not least, YouTube. I mean, not chat, but YouTube. I love y'all, boys. Make sure y'all, if y'all made it this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that sub button. Subscribe to the channel, bro. We about to hit 200,000 subscribers. All right, hit that like button too, man. All right, y'all rocking with me. Going into 2K26,
I'm gonna support, bro. I'm gonna subscribe, bro. I forgot. I'm not even subscribed to dude.
Last but not least, we got the Sony FX6 with the G Masters, the Sony G Masters 16 to 35 2.8 aperture.
Look like you shooting a movie with that.
2. Got the Sennheiser microphone. All right. I mean, listen, y'all. That camera costs a lot of money, bro. It costs a lot.
It look like
$10,000. It costs like.
All right, well, I said $10,000 setup. Now it's at $20,000. Fuck it, $30,000 setup right here, man.
$10,000 just for that setup. Now, listen, you don't have to start off with this. All right, I am going to be using this for streaming. I do use this for streaming, and I will be using this for IRL streaming too, bro. So that's the reason why I got it too. But listen, you don't have to start off with that, bro. You can start off with a Logitech Brio. A Logitech Brio 4K. It's a webcam that costs about $169 on Amazon right now. You can go get it, bro. You can start off streaming with a webcam like I did. When I start to grow and make more money, I invested back into my streams.
Right. That's what you're supposed to do, right?
You have to invest back into yourself, bro, or nobody's going to take you serious. Or nobody's going to want to invest into you for that point, bro. So you got to invest into yourself, bro. All right? So, now, I didn't get to my rugs. Chat, I know y'all see my rugs. A lot of y'all on stream want to know where I got my rugs. I found this guy.
The rugs is tough.
His name is Rug Me the Right Way. He's not paying me to promote his stuff, but he makes really good rugs, bro. His name is Rug Me the Right Way. Find him on IG right now. He makes any type of rugs you want, bro. Cars, figures, Supreme, with Bart Simpson, Baby Milo, Babe, last graduation with Kanye West. I mean, bro, he makes everything, bro. I gotta hit him back up because I want more rugs, bro. I don't think I can fit no more in here, but I might want to put like one, like right here, bro. One more rug right here. Listen, man, you don't have to start off with a lot of stuff, y'all. Y'all don't have to start off with a lot of stuff. Get you 2 monitors. Get you a decent PC around like $1,200-$1,300. You need a decent PC. You need a webcam and you need like a Yeti mic, bro. And all you gotta do is go to work, bro. All right, that is my gaming setup video, bro. This is the gaming setup video, bro. It's a lot more to come. I just moved into my crib 7 months ago, bro. So I got a lot more to do in here. I'm gonna do the walls. I'm gonna paint the walls and do all that, man. But if y'all made this far, man, I hope y'all like the video, man. This is my setup. Going into NBA 2K26, I can't wait to grind.
Yeah, bro, it's gonna be fire, bro. That's a fire setup, bro. I'm gonna like the video too, man. Big support, man. You feel me? EJ doing this thing, bro. That's amazing setup, y'all. No cap.